Curry leaves, also known as kadi pata, sweet neem, or a Mariah Kennedy, are aromatic leaves that come from the curry tree, a tropical to subtropical tree native to India. These leaves are widely used in Indian cuisine and some other South Asian cuisines for their distinctive flavor. Here are some key points about curry leaves. 1. Flavor and aroma. Flavor. Curry leaves have a unique taste that is often described as a mix of citrus and slightly bitter, with a hint of nuttiness. Aroma. They have a strong and pleasant aroma which intensifies when the leaves are sautéed in oil. 2. Culinary uses. Tempering, tadka. Curry leaves are commonly used in the tempering, tadka, of various Indian dishes. They are added to hot oil, along with mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and other spices to enhance the flavor of the dish. Curries and soups. They are used in the preparation of curries, stews, soups, and dals for their unique taste. 3. Nutritional benefits. While not a significant source of nutrients, curry leaves do contain some vitamins and minerals. They are a source of antioxidants and are believed to have various health benefits. 4. Medicinal uses. In traditional medicine, curry leaves are used for their potential health benefits, including their antioxidant properties and supposed ability to help with digestion. 5. Storage. Fresh curry leaves can be stored in the refrigerator for a short period. Dried curry leaves are also available and can be stored in a cool, dry place. 6. Note of caution. While curry leaves are generally safe to eat, it's essential to note that they are meant to impart flavor to dishes and are usually removed before eating. They are not typically consumed in large quantities. In addition to their culinary uses, curry leaves are also valued for their aromatic and ornamental qualities. They are an essential ingredient in many South Asian recipes, and their distinct flavor can add a special touch to various dishes.